This is a quick video to demonstrate my Replacement Skee computer along with a modern score display installed in my Model S machine. We'll start by turning the machine on. Game boots. We'll drop a quarter. We'll fast forward through some of the balls playing. That's your ticket. That's the end of the game. So now we'll disconnect the camera from the tripod here. And show this setup. I've got the back glass out so that you can see the Replacement Skee computer is what's driving this machine. That's all.